Welcome to Tech Research. In this video, we will see how to clear iPhone cache. Very easy. Let's start. So simply tab here in the settings section. Inside the settings section here, the general tab is showing. You just simply tap there and here iPhone storage. If you click here the iPhone storage, here the iPhone are consuming how much space, how much is usable, free. Accordingly, you should check here very easily. Afterward, which application are consuming how much space can very easily track from here. If you scroll down here, one of the option is showing system data. It means your iPhone are using, this is the cache storage. If you tab here, clearly showing system data including cache, logs and other resources currently in used by the system. The value is accordingly changed and sometimes increased. So how to reduce this size? It's very easy. Just simply go back here. Here the app option is available. You just simply tap there and just simply search here Safari. So inside the Safari, we always delete the searching history in your Safari browser and afterwards scroll down to the bottom and here advanced feature is available. You just simply tap here. Next thing, tap on the website data. If you click here, so which types of website, which website are consuming how much space, are all information is showing here. Look at this here. A bunch of different web pages are consuming too much space on iPhone. It means this is the cache memory. Google.com are using space as a cache 50 MB. If you edit here, you can delete one by one as well, like this, or you can delete all of them as well. Come to the directly bottom and remove all the website data if it is not required of this website. So my recommendation, you can delete all the data. Using this process, you can increase your iPhone storage as well. So using this process, you can very easily delete the cache related on the Safari browser. Sometimes some people are using different types of browser. So next important point, if you can again tap here in the settings section, then general iPhone storage, and here is my iPhone storage is showing. If I scroll down here, the number is still showing. After I'm restarting, the number are automatically delete. The number is automatically decrease. If you scroll up, so look at this here. Most of time some application are consuming too much space, depend upon the uses of this application. If I see here the Google Photos or Google Map or Instagram, if you tap here, look at this here. Here the option is showing upload app. Original app size and data size is too much, that like a 300 MB. If I tap here upload, so look at this here, automatically delete this data. If I again reinstall this one, so accordingly you can increase your iPhone storage as well using this process. So accordingly, which application is consuming too much space, delete this information as well. Look at this here in the WhatsApp. If I enter here in my WhatsApp and here the storage data, the manage storage, my WhatsApp are consuming too much space, like around 2.3 GB data. It is not require always all types of data. You just simply select here if it is not important this information, but as my case, I don't use this information as not required, so I can just simply delete this one. As a group wise, as a contact wise, this information are showing. So accordingly, I always delete this information and increase my iPhone size as well. So because of sometimes some groups are selling too much information, videos, photos, and using this one you can increase your cache size as well. So accordingly, you should delete this all types of information using this process and improve your storage and delete the cache memory as well. At the last, you can always reboot your iPhone. Volume up, volume down, and just press this button and continuously press this power button unless or until the Apple logo is not coming here. Still, I am pressing this button and now you can release your button because of Apple logo is displaying here. Using this process, you can delete tons of the cache in your iPhone. It's very easy. If you really like this video, so please hit the bell icon, share this video and subscribe our YouTube channel Tech Research. Till then, Jai Hind, Vande Mataram.